Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving the problem x squared plus 14x plus 49. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step solution to finding the roots of this quadratic equation. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. To solve the quadratic expression x squared plus 14x plus 49, we first need to recognize that it is a perfect square trinomial. In this step, we want to rewrite the expression to help us see this more clearly. Notice that the number 49 is a perfect square, specifically 7 squared. Also, the middle term, 14x, is 2 times 7 times x. This structure matches the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which represents a perfect square trinomial. Therefore, we can rewrite x squared plus 14x plus 49 as the square of x plus 7. The second step involves recognizing and rewriting the quadratic expression x squared plus 14x plus 49 as a perfect square trinomial. We have established that 49 is 7 squared and 14x is 2 times 7 times x. These observations confirm that the quadratic matches the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Consequently, we can simplify the expression and rewrite x squared plus 14x plus 49 as the square of x plus 7. This is the final step, and the expression simplifies to x plus 7 squared. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.